Why are so many women being diagnosed with diabetes? Is it because of pregnancy or are we just detecting it more? Hi, I'm Dr. Samata Kumar, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist. I've been seeing more cases of diabetes during pregnancy, and honestly, it's not because we're doing something wrong. It is happening because we're planning pregnancy at a later stage in our life. We are less active than before. We have more stress. And yes, our food habits have also changed. That's why screening during pregnancy for diabetes is important. We do a test called oral glucose tolerance test where we tell you to fast for 8 to 10 hours. In the morning, we take your fasting sample and then give you 75 grams of glucose solution. Check your 1 hour and 2 hour blood glucose levels post glucose intake. Few women require screening at an early period of gestation, especially those with family history of diabetes or previous history of gestational diabetes or previous big pain. So for these women, we might do a early screening. During pregnancy, our body becomes little insulin resistant. So what do you mean by that? That is, the blood sugar levels will go up easily during pregnancy. Many women bodies handle it easily, and that's the reason they do not have diabetes. But in few women, they cannot handle it, and because of that, their blood glucose levels increase. If the oral glucose tolerance test is abnormal, then we call the mother as gestational diabetes. And the good news is, with diabetic diet, cutting down on simple carbs, having complex carbs, cutting down on sweet sugars and junk food, with 30 minutes of proper exercise daily and good sleep, we can control blood sugar levels. And yes, if diet is not able to control the blood sugar levels, you might require insulin. The sugar levels are still high in spite of that diet control. You might require insulin to control the blood sugar levels. Remember, insulin intake during pregnancy will not harm you and your baby. In fact, it will help in controlling blood sugar levels. It protects the baby, but it doesn't mean that you're going to be diabetic forever. If we don't control high blood sugar levels, it can increase your risk of having big baby, increase your incidence of having hypertension during pregnancy, excess fluid that is called polyhydramnias, and difficult deliveries. But if you control your sugars, many women will have completely healthy pregnancy. And here's something most people don't know. After the delivery, we get your sugars checked, and in many women, it comes back to normal, that is your pre-pregnancy state, and you might not require insulin or even oral hypoglycemic agents. So don't panic, don't ignore, screen, monitor and control. Diabetes during pregnancy is manageable. Insulin is safe for you and the baby.